Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage customer loyalty programs with Smile.io easy tutorial step by. To begin managing customer loyalty programs with Smile.io, head to their website and sign up for an account. After signing up, log into your Smile.io dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Loyalty Program tab located on the left sidebar. Click on Create a new program to start setting up your loyalty program. You will be prompted to choose the type of program you want to create, such as points, VIP, or referral. Select the type that best fits your business model. Next, customize your program settings. Set the point earning structure, which could be based on purchase amounts or other actions. You can also define how customers can redeem their points. To make the program more engaging, consider adding tiers or levels. Edit the visual elements of your loyalty program. Upload your brand logo and choose colors that match your brand identity. Create personalized rewards that resonate with your customer base. These could include discounts, free products, or exclusive access. Once you have set your parameters, preview your program to ensure everything meets your expectations. After reviewing, click Publish to launch your loyalty program. Next, integrate Smile.io with your e-commerce platform for seamless operation. Follow the integration instructions specific to your platform, such as Shopify, BigCommerce, or WooCommerce. Once integrated, start promoting your loyalty program to your customers. Utilize your website, social media, and email campaigns for announcement. Monitor your program's performance through the analytics dashboard provided by Smile.io. Regularly review engagement metrics and customer feedback for continuous improvement. Adjust your program as needed to keep it fresh and appealing to your customers. Remember to reward your loyal customers consistently to maintain their interest and engagement. By following these steps, you can effectively manage customer loyalty programs with Smile.io. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.